I think when it comes to always like bringing something new when it comes to digitalization is there's always resistance like toward end users. So we have to also tackle that. Like it has been difficult even previously from my experience. Like when you bring anything new, even like doing like spreadsheet online and offline, like that change even it sometimes could be hectic for the user somehow. So we are trying to first solve that. So what we did was we are trying to engage the team that would be the end user on the project in order for them to see what the system can improve in their day-to-day activity. So for example, before like our team would be sending a lot of updates throughout the day. For one sales of contract, let's say, they might send in an average 20 to 30 email on the logistic of the coffee, regardless of shipping documents and things like that. Now with this, they are able to just upload the documents on the platform, as well as also increment, like update the contracts where if they're mailed, if they're loaded, and things like that, which they're keeping their records internally. Also at the same time, update the client. So we're knocking out several emails. Even though they do that today, they're still going back to their email, so that this system will be automating those things, and as well as for the clients, instead of asking for the updates that are already happened, so they can just see real-time data what's going on with their shipments, and also able to access their documents, shipping documents and things like that, as well as additionally like the farmers or the farm information will be integrated on there as well. So we have initially we're in the level of digitalization now, as I mentioned earlier, but they're all apart. So we're trying to bring them all together as a piece on this platform. So so on the client side, that's one of my worry, because you can't, you know, like have clients use the software immediately. You'd have to redirect for several times and make sure they're able to benefit from what we have built. So that's what that would be one of the challenge beside the team. I feel like for the team, they have the department heads together with us when we are building this. So I think we're really pushing ourselves to make it easy as possible for the team to use the software and to actually make their life easier, because most of the time, especially in, you know, in our area, people see software as something that is making their life difficult sometimes, which we wanted to interpret like this is for the team to make their life easier, to make ourselves efficient, and also to make our communications more clear between our clients, between each other. Because at first, you know, before even we start the digitalization, the problem was the management is the one make sure everybody's on the same page. Now, where we have a system that makes sure that everybody's on the same page. So once it's complete, I believe that it's going to make both the team and customer life easier. But from the audience, I feel like I would suggest for the people first to build their what data they want, how they wanted to do it in-house, then have their software built out after that, instead of going to the software companies and building a product. It's better to first have everything organized as a company, then going to the software companies I think this has been a very like moving fast, like it help us to move forward faster, because when we start to build this, we didn't have to go figure out what we need. We already have something digitalized, but we wanted to connect the pieces. So I suggest actually looking solution within the house than looking for software developers to build whatever. That's what I see sometimes when I have a discussion with other exporters, because once the software company come in, will solve all their problems. But at the end of the day, your problem is with your hand, and it's just going to get solved with a software company. Like software will be one of the solutions. So I think that would be just as a suggestion that I mentioned, but that's how I envision, like you'll make both our client and team life much easier, and we'll have more efficient way of communicating with our team and client as well. Thank you.